I started out in the frilliest dresses that you can ever imagine. When I was 10 years old, I wanted to take ballet. For my birthday, I asked for ballet lessons, but instead my dad bought me a motorcycle. Ballerinas, they're beautiful and graceful, and I don't have any of that. My balance has improved so much, which is huge for skiing. My name is Erica Madison. I'm 31 years old. I moved up to Alaska when I was 17. I immediately was immersed in this mountain culture, and I called my brother and asked him to pick out a pair of skis and boots and bindings for me. I'm doing a traverse from Vancouver, Canada to Skagway, Alaska. The trip is around 2,000 miles. Some of it will be pack rafting, some of it will be bushwhacking. Hopefully a lot of it will be skiing on big glaciers. I have this feeling all the time that I need to do something bigger or better. I put a ton of pressure on myself. I'm competitive, I'm a competitive person, but I'm not trying to be the best. I'm not trying to be the fastest. I just don't want to fail. Almost all my ski partners are men, and they're just stronger. They're faster, they're stronger, they can carry more weight. I train pretty hard to be able to keep up. Everything you do, it's like, if you bike to work, you're training. You're training for your ski season. I want to be the trail breaker. I want to do my part. You know, I don't want to be the one who's scared all the time, and I'm a little bit afraid that that might happen. That's what this trip is sort of about for me, is being braver, doing things bigger. I would describe myself as someone who's just still looking.